Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Chainlink. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. So the markets are dumping as we're speaking. I am depositing some funds right now because I do want to catch this dip. Now, we were looking at this ABC correction from the top in March, but I do want to reset it just by a bit because I was thinking the bottom would be somewhere here in June, July, and we did bottom out here in May. However, it seems like this was our B wave high. So we had our A wave down, B wave retracement, and then the continuation of the downtrend here with the C wave. And the C wave bottom, I was expecting it potentially to end somewhere here in this purple block between $11.60 down to $10.33. Now, this is a good thing for anyone looking to buy into Chainlink. If you didn't get the chance to buy in during the previous 500-day accumulation that we had here, right now is your chance, because if we extend this sideways channel all the way to August 2024, you can see that we are coming back to retest these previous highs as support. So we have highs dating all the way back to June 2022, and we are bouncing off of them. So hopefully we are going to be able to hold $8.74. I'm not going to lie, I was pretty certain that Chainlink wasn't going to come back down to prices below $9. It seems like right now that is a possibility. So if that does happen, make sure to set up some buy limit orders. You have $8.75. As always, never have round numbers in your limit order. So if it's going to be $8.75, make sure to add a few digits after 75, just so it's not perfectly sitting at 75 cents. We can add a Fibonacci retracement from that top to that bottom. So from the top in March 2024 to the bottom in June 2023. And you can see we are on our way down to the golden ratio here at $8.70, which lines up very nicely with this top that we have in August 2022, November 2022, and so on and so forth. We had this breakout in November 2023. It took us quite a bit to come back down and retest that top, which hopefully we're going to do in August. And then we're going to be looking at another move to the upside during the next leg up of this bull market. But this is a quick breakdown of the daily chart. So you have your price stack over here, $8.80 essentially. And then you also have the 0.786 support, which is sitting at $6.70. Now, it would be incredible if Chainlink could come back down to those same prices there at $6.68. If we can do that, that would be great. Make sure to set up some buy limit orders, but anything below $9, in my opinion, is extremely cheap. The daily RSI is in the oversold. This is going to be a really, really good buying opportunity for anyone who's looking to pick up some altcoins, because in my opinion, by the end of the year, we're going to be sitting at much higher prices. Obviously, this is election year and things are going to get very bullish, especially with Trump bringing crypto up in, every time he has the opportunity to do so. And the last time we were in the oversold was during the April correction there. Before that was all the way back in June 2023, which is our bear market bottom. Now, let's switch over to the weekly chart. And before we continue with the video, I want to give a quick shout out to my Patreon. If you're interested in getting more exclusive content, you want to support me as a creator, and you like what you're seeing here on YouTube and you want more, feel free to check out the Patreon. That's definitely a place for you. There's a 7-day free trial, which means you can get access to all of my content since the inception of the page. So that means you get podcasts, low cap gems, technical analysis, project reviews, and a whole bunch of other stuff. We try to do posts there on a daily basis. We cover airdrops and a lot of stuff that we don't really cover on YouTube because we don't have as much time. And of course, because patrons get more stuff and more content And if you're interested in that, the link is down below in the description. Thank you all. Let's continue on with the video. Switching over here to the weekly, you can see we've got a Fibonacci retracement set up from the bottom in June 2023 to the all-time high in May 2021. Now we broke below this white support trend line that we've been backtesting twice already, and we were hoping to retest it as support over here, but unfortunately we broke down below and we already opened a candle there. So it seems like we are on our way down to $9.39 soon, which is this low from September 2020, and then you have the 0.236 Fibonacci at $8.86. Now, like I said, anything below $9 is a free-for-all. You can keep buying as long as we're dipping. If you're bullish on the project, there's no reason for you to be skeptical, and there's no reason for you not to pick up any coins, obviously, unless you don't have any spare cash at the moment, which I always recommend you do. Like, you always need dry powder on the sidelines in case something like this happens, precisely like this, where you can start buying into your altcoins at discounted prices. So hopefully we're going to be able to hold the 0.236 support, and then after that we're going to be looking to come back up to $21.46 with the next leg up. If we take a Fibonacci, not a Fibonacci, but an Elliott wave here, and we draw the first leg up, which is the wave 1, we're looking at a wave 2, then the wave 3 is the biggest wave here, then a wave 4 and a wave 5 potentially, hopefully taking us to around $100. We'll see how long this entire thing takes to play out, but right now we're in the wave 2 process. We're in the process of printing the wave 2 bottom. Hopefully before September this will be over and done with, and then we can start looking towards the future. There is also a possibility of a double bottom occurring here, where we bottom out in July, August. We have a move to the upside in September, October, and then by the end of October, we have another correction back down to the same prices we started retracing from. So that's something to keep in mind. We had that play out here in 2023, where we had the bottom in June and then a correction in September once again. Lots of altcoins came back down to their June prices. In this instance, Chainlink didn't do that. Now we're taking a look at the oscillators here. The RSI, as you can see, is on its way down. We're sitting at June 2023 values. Let's take this rectangle here and draw it so we can actually identify this level over here. And historically speaking, this was a really good buying opportunity. Every time you enter that area, you have a move to the upside. So once again, you're entering that area between 37.8 down to 31.2 or 31.4, I should say. And hopefully this is going to play out as soon as possible, but I can't say that I'm not going to enjoy buying altcoins at these cheaper prices. Now, the stochastic is in the oversold. Once again, the last time we were down this low is June 2023, and it looks like we're in a bit of a... Again, look at these massive buying opportunities you had in 2022 and 2023. You are having another one over here below the index of 20 with the stochastic, so make sure to capitalize. Of course, this is not financial advice. Long term, we're looking at $100 Chainlink in this bull market. From the current values, that's around a 10x, which in my opinion is pretty doable. Like, Chainlink has been performing extremely well in 2020 during the bear market, and this is essentially your, if we zoom out, right, if we zoom out and we apply an Elliott wave structure to this whole thing, this is a wave 1, wave 2, and now the wave 3 is going to be the massive wave. But you know, this could take years to play out for this specific Elliott wave structure, so we're not going to really be bothered with this, but I'm just trying to show you that the chart looks very bullish. We're nowhere close to our bottoms from 2018, 2019. You know, we were sitting below $1 there. So Chainlink is looking extremely healthy. This is simply a correction. We're down approximately 55% from the local top there in March 2024, so it's not as bad as it may seem, especially to the newcomers. Welcome to the crypto markets. This is the way things play out here. If you're not ready to see your portfolio dip below 70 cents, if you're not ready to see your portfolio dip 70%, then these markets are not for you, unfortunately, just yet. When they mature, maybe come back later. Otherwise, you can stick to stocks. Those are safer options, you could say. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what are your thoughts on Chainlink right now. Stay safe and take care.